Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build a Lego Mazda Miata. To begin, ensure you have all the required Lego bricks laid out and organized. This preparation will make the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Carefully follow the detailed, step-by-step instructions included with your specific Lego set. Paying close attention to the color, shape, and size of each piece is crucial for an accurate and sturdy model. Let's get started on creating your miniature sports car. Next, we will focus on building the robust chassis, which serves as the fundamental base for your entire Lego Miata model. This critical step involves assembling several foundational plates and beams to create a strong framework. Once the chassis is complete, carefully attach the four wheels to their designated axles, ensuring they spin freely and are securely fastened. A solid base is essential for the stability and integrity of your finished vehicle, so take your time here. Now it's time to bring your Miata to life by constructing the distinctive bodywork and adding the interior details. Begin by carefully attaching the various body panels, paying attention to the curves and lines that define the car's iconic look. Then, move inside to install the miniature steering wheel, two comfortable seats, and the dashboard elements. Finally, secure the clear windshield and the two side mirrors to complete the cabin, giving your model a realistic appearance. For the final steps, we will add all the intricate finishing touches that truly make your Lego Miata shine. Carefully place the headlights, taillights, and any other small decorative elements according to the instructions. Once all pieces are in place, take a moment to double-check every connection, ensuring your model is sturdy and complete. Congratulations! Your beautiful Lego Mazda Miata is now ready to be proudly displayed on a shelf or desk for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.